Hi guys, welcome to another day, another vlog. So today it is Thursday. I have a car show coming up this Saturday, so 2 more days. It's gonna be Hot Import Nights Del Mar. It's probably the first car show coming out. Oh, Subi. Damn it, I have to wait. It's hard coming out of this driveway because there's 2 traffic coming. I got one going this way, one going that way. And I'm lowered as fuck. And bless, thank you. Alright, anyways, Hot Import Nights. This Saturday, Del Mar, San Diego. I will be there with my team. So I wish you viewers could come and see me, see the car, see the ugly ass racer car. Yeah. So right now I am headed to Home Depot to get some extra supplies to finish up the cleanliness of the car, like fender, the weather stripping, the rubber fender stripping. If you guys seen TJ Hunt's video, the fender liner, what he got. So right now I'm at Home Depot, just like a normal TJ Hunt video where they always go to Home Depot, but right now I'm gonna get the fender, the rubber trim piece for the fender flare. Ooh, bad lighting. Alright, I need to angle myself while walking forward. Here's the rubber piece. I think, where was it? He used one of these, the Frost Kings one. Is it this? Nope. Oh well, if it's not one of these, I could use another one. Alright, so another thing I have to do for my car is buy tension cables for the wing. It's gonna be for later down this year, because my wing's too big. So I'm gonna put a cross stabilizer tension cable, you know? Alright, so they didn't have what I came for here at Home Depot, the fender rubber trim piece. I'm walking outside, but look at this. Damn, that wing though. Fast and Furious. But anyways, I'm just gonna stop by Target real quick because it's really like right across the way. Can't really tell, but it's over there. So yeah, just a little stroll at Target. Oh my god, okay, so when I was driving casually from Home Depot to Target, look what happened. Oh no! A fucking screw came off. Or a bolt, whatever, screw, bolt, same shit. Came off. So I have to get a new bolt to freaking bolt that thing down. Ugh. Good thing it's only like 20 cents or something. Alright, to be honest, I'm just here at Target because I'm bored. I'm just looking at all the deals. And I want to get back into playing the PS4. But do I have time, or do I want to spend the money for it? I don't know. But I'm just waiting for a good game to come out. Present to you. Look at this. It's all red and pink. Valentine's Day's coming up, so I can't wait for all this to go on sale right after. Look at this, look at all these deals. Right here. Oh, look at that. Reese's peanut butter cups. More chocolate, more chocolate. And I'm really curious to try this actually. Champagne flavored chocolate. But anyways, Valentine falls on a Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day prank. We're gonna go around probably campuses, anywhere public, and we're gonna do some pranks. So keep an eye out on that. Oh hell. Alright, back in the car. So right now I'm gonna head towards Ace Hardware to get that small little bolt. Remember at the bottom fender flare that I have, one of the bolts came off. So I'm gonna drive to Ace Hardware and pick up one of the small ass tiny bolts, so that piece over there doesn't fling around a lot. Hey guys, so I just made it over here to Ace Hardware, and I took one of the bolts out from my previous or existing fender flares, so I have so I can tell them what kind of bolt or what bolt it is, and so they could match it with same bolt. I got what I came for. Hopefully it holds up. Right now I'm probably gonna go home or get some boba. So instead of going home or anywhere else, I'm gonna go to KJG Garage, and then we're gonna do some prep work for my upcoming show on Saturday. So we're gonna probably put the rubber lining on my fender flare. We're gonna probably paint the bolts, probably all black color, so my whole car is gonna be all blacked out. I do have some headlight tint, but my expertise on tint isn't that great, so I'm probably gonna skip that and just focus on the cleanliness of the car. We're here actually.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm holding the camera right now, vlogging for Ryan. Dom. I call him Ryan because I know him in high school as Ryan. But he came over here to spray paint his flares, getting ready for Hot Import Nights, Del Mar, San Diego. Hey, I'm excited. He's gonna be spray painting while I'm cleaning the garage, the KJG auto body. Alright, check back in later.
Alright, so the reason why I'm spray painting my flares is I got a quote from a shop nearby. This is probably the cheapest price. It was $150 for paint match flares per flare. So per flare, there's 4 flares, $150 each. So what? 1 flare, 2 flare, $600 for all 4 flares paint matched. That is a lot, but you guys are gonna hate for me spray painting my flares. But don't worry guys, I'm buying another set of flares, all paint matched and all good. Anyways, look at these toys that Jared used to have. This is gonna be a little interview. Tell us about your cars.
Interview?
Yeah, you have a lot, so.
I used to play with these back in high school.
Yeah?
Like freshman year, when I didn't have a car. These were my cars. This is, I don't even know what they're called, dude. They're old. Hot Bodies TC.
Okay.
This is HPI Sprint 2 Sport.
Okay.
Just my track car. This is my hooning around car.
Oh, your daily?
My
No,
daily
kidding.
and my track car right here. So this thing was like expensive back in the day.
How much do you think?
When it was brand new, the chassis was like $700.
All right, 700 guys.
And then this motor that I'm using, it's called Redline from Tekken or Tekken. That's $200, I think.
900 right there.
Plus this fast charger. Plus all. Oh, it all adds up.
It's a lot. It's a lot of money.
It's a hobby.
It's a hobby. It's only hobby.
Expensive hobby. But upgraded to real cars.
Yeah, you could see. It's not an Evo though. It's a resemblance. Look at all that Mountain Dew.
Fair miss, bro. Bro, that's duck pee.
Imagine something still like down there. Hey, what's up guys? So right now it is 6 p.m. at night. I'm pretty much halfway done with my fender flares. Tomorrow, right after work, I'm gonna finish everything. Rubber piece and touch up, finishing it up, the paint. So right now we're probably gonna get something to eat for tonight's dinner. Okay guys, so our decision for dinner is pizza from Biology. Look at that. And
hey, leave it in the comment section below. Biology or Blaze Pizza? Choose one.
It's always Biology, man.
For us, it's Biology. Dude, I know people that like Blaze Pizza. I'm like, it's alright.
It's the same thing, to be honest.
No, they got different breading, dude.
What is Biology then?
Biology's like thinner, I think.
We'll compare it one day.
We'll compare.
Imagine they're closed.
We gotta compare different foods, dude.
Right? Well.
I actually had soup over at Golden Corral.
Ricotta. Gargonzola. And ham and bacon, please. Yes. Yep. Yeah. This pizza deserves a cinematic shot. One huge slice left versus 4 to go.
I ain't trying to be fat, dude.
It's always the skinny guy. Thumbs up if you agree. Look at that. That's like an entree right there. At a fancy place.
That's a slice at Costco.
Yeah.
That's a slice at Costco.
Except there's like
scoops. Shoot.
We do.
So I wasn't recording that, but I was telling him how this fool's eating pizza with a fork. Actually, not just one fork, 2 forks.
Hell yeah, man.
So Filipino. Hello, Filipino. Hey.
Soggy. You ate pizza with the fork too.
Bruh.
Evidence.
Bruh. That's not my fork. That's not my fork.
It's not?
That's not my fork.
So it's a different table, that's why. This is our table right here.
But whose napkins are all these? Dude, look how clean my napkins are compared to his.
Right after that, scrumptious delicious.
Scrumptious?
Big ass pizza.
Dog, you finished yours, dude.
Look at that to-go box.
Go, because this is for Baon tomorrow.
Baon? Hell yeah. So right now we are headed to this underground meet location, 8626 on Instagram. It's gonna be an underground parking. It's gonna be lit, fam. Holy fuck, it's big. Posted up.
Hey, made it to the meet. There's actually quite a bit of people now.
Yeah, so we just got here, guys. So rather like previous weeks, there's actually a lot more than other weeks. He was here last week.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
2 times, 3 times.
Good turnout.
Good turnout.
Oh, better.
I'll take you.
It's actually getting bigger.
Yeah. And this is an 8626 or 86 meet. So you're gonna see a lot of FRSs, 86s here.
We need a stabilizer, dude.
Oh.
Jump on it.
Let's go this way left.
I got no battery already.
Already? Damn, it's like it's like a Toyota. It's a Toyota dealership. That's what it is. Hey, Subi. You need your Evo like that. You want your Evo like that.
I don't have an Evo, bro.
Damn. See? Hell yeah. Something. Where is this guy? My nigga Sal here. Officially leaving the meet. It's a pretty good turnout. I got a few mini clips that you've seen before this. So I'm just heading home right now. So everyone's in their cars. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So have a good night and see you next time.